Hey there, phonmaticians! In this phonetics lesson, we will conquer this guy here. This time, we'll be solving equations. I hope you remember that an equation says two mathematical expressions are equal. Check out these examples. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 6 plus 6 is also 12. Simply put, what is on the left side is equal to what is on the right side. Any algebraic sentence is called an equation. Just like this one. 20 plus a equals 45. When we find the value of an unknown, we have solved the equation. Hold on! Oh, there is a golden rule we must follow in solving simple equations. Whatever is done on the right-hand side must be done on the left-hand side. The big question now is, how can we solve simple equations? Simple equations can be solved by adding or subtracting the same value from both sides of the equation. Think about it. How about we try some examples? 20 plus a equals 45. The letter a is the unknown. To find its value, we have to make it stand alone. On the left-hand side, we have 20 plus a. We take out 20 by subtracting it from both sides, since 20 is a positive number. This gives 20 minus 20 plus a equals 45 minus 20. 20 takes out 20. A equals 45 minus 20, which is 25. Super! We did it! It's time to check and see that we are correct. But how do we do this? By substituting the value of the variable into the equation. 20 plus a equals 45. Remember that a is 25. So 20 plus 25 equals 45. We got it right. Let's have another example. T minus 17 equals 9. The letter T is the unknown. Again, we have to find its value by making it stand alone. On the left-hand side, we have T minus 17. This means we have to take out 17 by adding it to both sides, since 17 is a negative number. Oh, you're asking how I know that's right? I'll tell you. It's because it has a negative sign in front of it. This gives T minus 17 plus 17 equals 9 plus 17. Minus 17 plus 17 is the same as 17 minus 17, which is 0. T equals 9 plus 17, which is 26. Super! It's time to check, check, check. But how? We substitute the value of the variable into the equation. 26 minus 17 equals 9. Awesome! Super! We did it! Phew! It's time to take a break.